Hi, this is Mark. This is English Conversation Practice.
Hi everyone, this is Mark again. It's a beautiful day here in central Japan. The sky is blue, there's not a cloud in the sky. I can even hear a bird sing. Okay, great. Oh, I can hear a car. Yeah. So today, let's practice the vowels A, E, I, O, U. So we pronounce A, for example, apple, angry. We pronounce E, for example, elephant, egg. We pronounce I, E, for example, igloo, ink, okay? O, we pronounce octopus. Let's see, ostrich, okay? U, we pronounce umbrella, umpire, okay? So let's practice some example sentences, okay? A, let's see, okay? An angry ant wants some apple pie. Okay, one more time. An angry ant wants some apple pie. Yeah, I love apple pie. How about you? Elephants don't eat eggs. I don't think so. Maybe they do. I don't know. So one more time. Elephants don't eat eggs. I eat. Igloo, ink. The igloo was covered in ink. Oh no. One more time. The igloo was covered in ink. Oh. Octopuses like ostriches, but ostriches don't like octopuses. One more time. Octopuses like ostriches, but ostriches don't like octopuses. Okay. And you, that umpire is using an upside down umbrella. One more time. That umpire is using an upside down umbrella. Okay, great. Okay. So, any questions? Please ask me in the comments. And please subscribe. And please check out my website for flashcards and handouts, markkulek.com. Okay? So take it easy. And please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you next time. Bye.